This is the CLPK 232A-181 combo kit from Bosch. It includes the DDS 181A drill driver and the 25-618 impact driver. This kit is great for the wood drilling and metal fastening jobs that general contractors, furniture installers, carpenters, HVAC, electrical, and plumbing pros tackle every day. The drill driver features all metal gears for optimal power transmission and durability. This drill is a great option for drilling pilot holes into decking and frame lumber all day. The new half-inch auto-lock all-metal chuck lets you easily switch out bits. The improved soft grip handle and design make the tool comfortable to hold, and the near 8-inch driver head gives you better balance and control. Improved air vents mean greater dust and drip resistance. When you've got lots of fastening to do, the impact driver gives you high productivity and maneuverability. It features all metal gears and a high-performance motor. 1,500 inch-pounds of torque power through the toughest applications, and 2,800 RPM or 3,200 BPM give you fast results. Change out bits fast with the 1/4-inch hex drive. And at a very compact 3.5 pounds, this impact driver gets into tight spaces while it's comfortable to use all day. Both tools have LEDs with afterglow to light up your work area and a gauge to track the battery charge. The kit comes with a charger, two 2.0 amp-hour slim pack batteries, and a soft tool bag. The CLPK 232A-181 combo kit from Bosch contains an essential pair of drivers for your demanding drilling and driving jobs. Check out this page to learn more, and be sure to explore the rest of the Bosch cordless tool lineup.